Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Coinbase's multi-sign wallet. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's multi-sign wallet, this video is definitely for you. It's gonna be a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. Now, remember, you can log into your Coinbase account on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app on your mobile device. And once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the Accounts tab, and there you're going to select the multi-sign wallet. Next, you're going to set up the multi-sign wallet settings. That's the wallet name, passwords, and all that, just to get that set up. And then you want to add a co-signer to the multi-sign wallets, and then you're going to use the multi-sign wallets to manage your funds. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's multi-sign wallet. I hope you guys liked the video, hope you liked the information, and I hope you found it useful. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys